Over 100 unrestricted acres of rolling pasture, wooded ridges, and mountain views come together in this classic West Virginia farmhouse retreat, complete with a flowing stream, multiple hunting cabins, and true off-grid freedom. This is the kind of land that gives you options: homestead, hunt, farm, or simply disappear into nature without limitations. Scattered across the property are multiple hunting cabins, offering ready-made base camps for weekend stays, guests, or seasonal use. With no restrictions, you're free to expand, improve, or customize the land exactly as you see fit, whether that means additional structures, trails, or food plots. The farmhouse itself reflects classic country living, with spacious rooms filled with natural light and a layout designed for daily life on the land. The main level offers comfortable gathering spaces, a functional kitchen, a mudroom built for farm life, and a main level bedroom. Upstairs, additional bedrooms provide space for family or guests. Outdoor living is a highlight, with a wraparound porch that invites long mornings, quiet evenings, and uninterrupted views of the surrounding mountains. The land feels private, peaceful, and deeply connected to its natural setting. With barns, outbuildings, cabins, and over 100 acres of unrestricted ground, this West Virginia property offers something increasingly rare: scale, privacy, and total freedom to live life on your terms.